My name's Theo Ewing. I'm with the QSA Global Baton Rouge Service Center, and I want to cover some topics in our 880 manual for inspection and maintenance. One of the requirements is that on a quarterly basis, you should do a misconnect test between your controls and the projector it's being used with. We do this on a quarterly basis, but also keep in mind anytime you mix and match the controls and the projector, you should do this quick, simple test. It's designed to maintain the safety of the radiography system because you're looking for long-term wear. The idea is to take the 550 connector on the drive cable, connect it to your source, but sometimes people miss the connection, don't make it, and if it's still in good condition, there's no way you can mate up without making that connection on the drive cable and still turn the selector ring. This is mentioned in ANSI N432 to design it as such. However, if you get enough wear on the 661 safety collar, the pins, the collar itself, shared wear on the retainer on the rear posi lock, and keep in mind the number of times this drive cable is going in and out, reducing the 550 connector's length, you can possibly get to the point where, without making the connection of the drive cable to the source, push and be able to turn the selector ring. This system I have here is working fine. It doesn't have any extreme long-term wear. But also keep in mind, should you be able to turn it, the selector ring, do not go all the way to operate because you do not want to push the source out. So this is your misconnect test. Please do it every 3 months or anytime you mix a different camera with a different set of controls. Thank you for your time.